Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some cream of mushroom burgers. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use this 10-inch cast iron skillet and cook this in my toaster oven, but you could do it on the stove top and it'd be pretty much the same thing. So for the ground beef, I'm using this 90% lean, 10% fat, because I figured that way I won't have to drain it. This is organic grass-fed. This package of meat costs $7.99, so it's kind of expensive, but it's what they had, so it's what I'm going to use. I'm going to season my meat with some kosher salt and some just regular ground pepper, black pepper here. This is just kind of eyeballing this, and then some onion powder. I like onion powder, so pretty good amount of that, and then just a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. That gives it a little tang. Okay, I'm just going to get this all mixed together. I mixed the seasoning into the meat and made 4 patties, and my pan is lightly oiled here, so I'm just going to get those into the pan there. And the cream of mushroom soup is not going in yet. It's going to be like my sauce or my gravy, so I'm not going to add that until I turn the burgers over. I'm going to use broil for this, so I'm setting the oven to broil at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all the way up, and I put my oven rack all the way up to the top, so it's close to that top burner. Those have been in there for 8 minutes, so let's take a look at them here. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to turn them over and add the soup. Boy, it's really raining hard out there. Anyway, I'm going to pull these out of the pan before I turn them over. And that way I can just pour the soup into the bottom of the pan. And then I'll turn the burgers over and just put them on top of the soup. This is a 22.6 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. This is the big can. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I'll just turn these over and put them on top of the soup like that. And then we'll get them back into the oven and let them finish cooking. There we go. Let them go a little bit longer. These have been on that side for about 10 minutes, so let's take a look here. Oh, nice. That looks pretty good. This would be good with some rice or potatoes, but I don't feel like cooking those right now, so I'm just going to use a piece of bread. So let's grab one of our burgers, get it on there, get some of that mushroom soup. Some of that mushroom soup on there. Alright, let's cut into that and see how it looks here. Looks pretty nice and juicy. That meat juice kind of mixes in with the soup. Let's try a bite there. And that's really good just on white bread like that. You can really taste that Worcestershire sauce. It gives it a nice little kick. Well, look who showed up. It's Annie, the taste test dog. You want to try it, Annie? What do you think? Pretty much inhaled it. I guess she liked it. I made those the other day, but I didn't add Worcestershire to them, but I think I like it a lot better with the Worcestershire sauce. Gives it more flavor. Anyway, you guys can season them however you want. So I think the cooking time was 8 minutes on the first side, and then about 10 minutes once I turn them over and put the mushroom soup in, but it might vary according to your oven a little bit. Like I said, you could do that on the stovetop if you wanted to. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys.